Dinner last night
wasting.
was everything.
So I had to try this pan taco dip, whatever. I got this meat. I did not use the whole thing of meat. And first I cut up all of my sides, like my tomatoes, my jalapeno peppers, my cilantro. Then I took this packet, cooked the meat, poured the packet in there with a little bit of water just to distribute the powder, you know. Then I drained it. Cut up some cream cheese. This wasn't a part of the plan. I just switched things up. Got queso cheese. I put all of it into the pan together in chunks. And then I added the yellow queso. And I normally use the other brand, which is the Tostitos, but I switched it up on them. Which I still ended up using the Tostitos to add to it, as you'll see.
Might need a little bit more. Jimmy want more.
So this is it so far. I'm going to add this to the... Go ahead and we're going to add these. Let me make sure they're not hot. We're going to add a little bit. All right. Let's get it. Okay. Control and what have you right here. But I know. Now I'm ready to go ahead and add the meat to the mix. Make sure y'all drain y'all meat. We're going to just spread this, and then we're going to put the cheese on top. So y'all know I can never follow a recipe. I still put some of the chunky salsa mild on it. Now I'm ready to put the cheese on top. It looks like a meatloaf right now, but I promise it's going to be good, even though I never tasted it before. Ready for it to go into the oven now. This is the chips. We got to hurry up. We got to hurry up. I'm ready to show y'all. I'm ready to show y'all this. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Y'all ready? Hopefully it don't waste. Please don't waste. Please, oh, please, oh, please, oh. Don't burn me. And don't waste. It's wasting. I'm gonna stop. It's not an epic fail, but God, I'm hungry. A lot of it wastes on the sides because that bowl was bigger than this one, but yeah, this is gonna be like that. Let me try it, at least. We're gonna try it with the Doritos. Look at it though. Look at it. I don't care if it did waste. It looks amazing. This is it. This is how I be burning my mouth. Oh, good. Good God Almighty. Enough. Y'all, I tell y'all, this is good. Oh my God. It's amazing. It's amazing.